Hi, my name is Daniel, and in this video I'll show you how to create a card carousel and add it to a hosting or website. Let's get started. The card carousel is a great addition to any website. To start, enter Common Ninja website. Choose your widget from our large collection of widgets. And once you've entered the widget page, click on the Create button to enter the editor. Here, in the editor, you can edit the content. Select a layout and a skin. Customize the look and feel. And change the settings. When you're done, click the Save Changes button to save your work. If you don't have an account on Common Ninja yet, you'll have to register first. When you're ready to add the widget to your website, go back to the dashboard. Now, on the dashboard, you'll see the widget you've created. Click on the Add to Website button. In the window that opens, copy the code and close the window. Remember, you can always return to the widget and keep on editing it. Now let's head to the Hostinger website editor. In the Hostinger editor, click on Add Elements. And in the Elements panel, select the embed code. Drag it and place it on the page. Now, move and position it to wherever you wish. Expand the code element so it will fit the widget's content. Now, click the Enter Code button. And simply add the widget code you've copied before. Click on the Embed Code button to apply the changes. And that's it. Now, the card carousel will show on your website.